Clocking in at under 400 calories and over 25 grams of protein, this sausage and broccoli pasta is a super easy meal to prepare and tastes phenomenal. Welcome back to Food with Fitz, where I show off some of my favorite recipes and how I make them. First thing we're going to do is brown and crumble our sausage on a medium-high heat. Once it's browned and chunked up to your liking, we'll put it aside in a bowl and turn the heat down to medium-low. Next we'll add some olive oil to the pot and around half of a finely diced yellow onion. After sweating the onion for a little bit, we can add our broccoli. Just a few seasonings here. I'm simply using some red pepper flakes, some salt, and some pepper, but feel free to experiment with whatever seasonings you want. Now for the pasta. I like to use this one for the added protein. We're going to get a pot of boiling water going and dump it in. Take it out just a bit early and reserve some of that pasta water, as we'll need some later. Once the broccoli is sauteed to our liking, we're going to add back in the sausage and turn the heat down to low. Mix everything together so that the broccoli can soak up some of that juice. Now we're going to take our pasta and strain it. We'll need about a cup of the pasta water. I managed to somehow pour nearly that amount when I thought I strained all of the pasta. Whoops. So here's me daintily pouring a bit extra for the shot. And now for the fun part, some Parm cheese. We're trying to make a light cheesy sauce with the pasta water and sausage oils, so feel free to add more to your liking. Chicken broth also works here instead of the pasta water, so you can use that as well. But once this is all mixed together, it's all good to go. All in all, this recipe takes about 30 to 45 minutes to put together, so it's really quick and easy. Here are the full nutrition facts for the dish. This one's a perfect meal prep. It makes about 6 servings. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and enjoy.